Hi folks, I done did it again. Okay, this is the medium system, my new project. I haven't finished it yet, but my battery arrived. I put in a placement inverter. There's the controller. It's working, but this is a larger system than this one. Okay, let's get to the back of this one and I'll show you what I got going on. Okay, first of all, this is going to be the inlet auxiliary power, or you can shore power, or you plug it up into your outlet, into your wall. We have USB. It's just like on the other one. Just like on the other one, we got 4 outlets here, and here's my solar input. Okay, and I got two lighters instead of one. Okay, and there you go. And this right here is just got that meter and this meter. We're in full mode testing here. So yeah. And so there she is, back into place. So I am going to go to Lowe's or Home Depot, one or the other, and get me some carriage bolts. I'm going to mount these wheels on this platform so that I can put it under it. I don't know if I'm going to fix it to it or not, but it's a recess under there. It's a recess under there that I could just set that on top of it, and it would be good. But I might fix it to it. I don't know, but yeah, this is gonna be it. And it's not complete. My inverter hasn't arrived yet. My switch, and it's a switch. It's going to switch it over from where you can do a UPS, uninterruptible power supply, where it'll switch it over if the power goes out, if you're using it on the plug-in, and whenever you got it in the plug-in, it'll also charge the battery and switch it over from the inverter to the line in. So yeah, hey, that's it for now. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing as I get the parts in, I'm going to be putting them on and updating you. So hey, look, if it's something you're interested in, go ahead and like it, and yeah, that's what it's about. Okay, here's the update, you guys. I just completed the wheels. Rolls free. I can roll it anywhere I need to roll it, put it anywhere I need to put it, and have power where any room I want it in. Or I could just move it out the way to do something. Yeah, that's right. So let me know what you think. Now I'm thinking about installing some meters along here, all the way across here, and they're going to be like these meters here, but they're not going to be in the gray thing, the gray housing here. It just be these meters here, all along here, and I think that'd be pretty good.